Friends, in this video I will teach you how to become a confident person and how can you change your habits and adopt new habits that I'm going to tell you today.
You can become a person whom people value and respect. We will talk about what people value most and how can force them to value you. So first of all, let's talk about what kind of people value. So the answer is simple.
People value those who are confident, dominant, powerful, and good-looking. Good-looking does not mean only the face, but their attitude and their body language also makes them good-looking.
So in this video, we will talk about similar body language with which you can become a confident and valuable person. And if you follow these points that I'm going to tell you, your value among the people will go to a different level. Now you must be thinking, which are such points, and will I be able to follow them? Then the answer is yes.
Friends, you will be able to apply these rules in your life with just a few days of practice. And after that, you will see for yourself that your confidence and your body language is much better than before.
So without any waste of time, we move on to our point number 1. Have slow and relaxed movement.
Friend, whether you are walking, sitting, or standing in a group, you have to keep your movements completely relaxed.
What will this do? Well, this will make you look more confident and dominant because when you walk slowly, your relaxed and slow movement attracts people. This makes people gravitate towards you. And you feel even more confident. And if you learn to stay relaxed even in a bad situation, then by staying relaxed in bad situation, your mind will work 100% and you will be able to handle this bad situation well. While majority people get so nervous and unconfident when they see a bad situation that they don't even understand how to handle this bad situation. So no matter how bad the situation is, always keeps yourself relaxed. If you are walking, never try to walk fast because it will make you look like a nervous or scared person.
Point number 2. Hold eye contact. Friends, eye contact is an important part of your body language and your personality. When you talk to someone and make eye contact with them, you look more confident, and the person in front of you can understand your point very well. And you can also explain your point very well. Your eye contact and confidence show you are dominant over others. It means that with eye contact, you are giving the message to others that they will not find anyone better than you for this job, and you have full confidence in your ability. Eye contact is as important as your speech in conversation. Make eye contact whenever you talk to someone. When you want to break eye contact, never break it by looking down because it will make you look a nervous person. Whenever you want to break eye contact, look to the other side or turn your neck.
Point number 3. Be as big as your audience. Mean the more your listeners, the more you should use your body language and the more space you acquire. Because the more you speak by acquiring space, the more you use your hand gestures and use your body language, the more you look confident and attractive. If you are standing and talking in a group, never stay in one place and talk. Try to move around and use your body language to make people listen carefully, because some people are more interested in your body language than your words. They notice your body language. So at that time, if your body language is not good, then no one will like you. So whenever you talk, make sure to use your body language.
Point number 4. Don't overreact.
A confident person notices everything but never reacts. Because when you give reaction on small things, people consider you unconfident and ordinary person. Suppose you are with a group in a hotel, and someone from your group is talking and someone from the table next to you is telling a joke to his group, and you are listening to that joke. If you suddenly start laughing at him, the person in your group will take it as an insult. That he ignored me and listened to others will reduce your value in the group. So whenever you see or hear such things, never overreact. It will make you look like an ordinary person.
Point number 5.
Speak slowly and use pauses between words.
Whenever you speak, never rush to speak because you might end up saying something in a rush that doesn't make any sense. Then your value will decrease. By speaking slowly and taking pauses in your speech, you create curiosity that keeps people waiting for what you will say next. But if you don't use your body language in your words, no one will pay attention to your words. So your body language is important as your words. So use both words and body language while speaking. If you follow these points, you will realize how much you have changed.
That's all in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.